In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first funnel with Systeme.io. Creating a funnel can sometimes feel daunting, especially if you're new to it, but don't worry, we're going to go step by step to make sure you have a solid foundation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to set everything up within just 5 minutes. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Systeme.io account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to do that first. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard where you can manage all your projects. It's user-friendly and designed to make your navigation as simple as possible. Next, let's navigate to the Funnels tab, which can be found under the Websites section. Once you're there, click on Sales Funnel. This is the area where all the magic of creating and managing your sales process begins. Now it's time to create your funnel. You'll want to click on the plus create button. This will prompt you to start the setup for your new funnel. Make sure you have a clear understanding of what you're going to sell or the action you want your audience to take, as this will guide you throughout the setup. Once you've initiated the new funnel process, it's important to give your funnel a descriptive name, something that immediately tells you what the funnel is about. This will help keep everything organized, especially if you're planning to juggle multiple funnels in the future. After naming your funnel, the next step is to choose the domain you want to use for it. Your domain is essentially your unique address on the web, so select one that aligns with your brand or marketing goals. Don't forget to set your currency. This is crucial because it ensures that your financial transactions are processed using the correct regional currency. It helps in making sure that your financial information is accurate and keeps your records consistent. Now let's add the necessary steps to your funnel. Start with creating a landing page. This is the first page your visitors will see, so make sure it's designed to capture their attention and compel them to opt in for your offer. Then incorporate an email sequence. This will help nurture leads and guide them smoothly through your sales process. Following the email sequence is your sales page. This page should clearly present your product or service and include easy to understand call to actions. Finally, you'll need to set up an order form. This is the crucial page where your customers will finalize their purchases. Once you have all these steps in place, it's time to select a template for your funnel. Systeme.io offers a variety of templates tailored to different styles and goals. Choose the one that best fits your funnel's vision, and don't hesitate to edit it according to your preferences. Personalizing the template can make a big difference in how well your funnel performs. By following these steps, you're well on your way to setting up an effective funnel with Systeme.io. Thanks for watching, and happy funnel building.